Hello parents, my name is Michelle Thompson. I'm the teacher here at Dodia Virtual High School for AP Stats. I wanted to take a minute just to introduce myself to you, give you some information that hopefully you'll find useful for your children. So this is my third year teaching here at DVHS. I have 11 additional years of experience in the classroom. Based on my years of experience, I have found that students will do best in the class as well as on the AP Stats exam when they read the textbook, and they practice a lot, and they ask for help when they need it. So when students need help, a couple of things you can do and I can do to help them. First of all, you want to make sure that they're following the assignment schedule. So up on the screen here are a couple of points that I have talked to your students about. So you can see the first thing is to follow the assignment schedule. Every module will have an assignment schedule that lays out the work that they should be completing, when the deadline is, and if they're not following that and doing it in order, that could be one of the reasons why they're not being successful in the class. For instance, they're leaving all of the textbook homework for the end of the module instead of doing it through the module in order to practice. The other thing is they should be checking your grades, and you can also check their grades. They can check their grades in Schoology, or they can check on GradeSpeed. You can also check their grades in GradeSpeed. I will send out progress reports weekly, and I usually add a little note at the bottom that gives reminders of what's coming up, things like that. They also should be communicating and asking for help. So are they letting me know that they're struggling? Are they asking for tutoring? Other things too that are not listed on the screen here, but they have some videos provided for them. They can find that in Schoology. Those videos are short videos on different topics from the course or examples that I've worked out so students can see a sample problem. These videos will be updated through the year. So have the students check back regularly. I'm remaking the videos that I made from 2 years. Here is another website that students can use, khanacademy.org. When they go to this website, they can click on Subjects and then scroll down to Statistics and Probability. And they will find a list of topics. These are videos of another teacher teaching these topics, so that can be helpful if they're not understanding. Another website here that I also have open is called stattrek.com. They're going to go underneath the tutorials heading and click on AP Statistics, and there's a bunch of stuff here. On the left hand side in this tutorial, it's broken down by the categories, and underneath that are topics. And then within here is when it will show you, explain, etc. And usually there's page forward buttons on the bottom, so they would have to scroll down. So those are 2 other resources that students can use to get help. And lastly, I wanted to share my contact information with you. Please feel free to contact me anytime through the year if you want an update on your child or you have questions about the course, anything at all. My phone number is up there on the screen as well. Just be aware that I am located near Washington, D.C., so there may be a time difference and I might not answer the phone. But if you leave me a message, whether an email or on the phone, I will be sure to get back to you as soon as I can. Looking forward to a great year, and let me know if you have any questions.